Welcome to the playground of potential. I'm Matt the Poet, and this is my playground. Today, I'm going to be bringing all organic stir-fry recipe to you. Super healthy and, incredibly delicious. First, let's go over the ingredients. 2 cups of dry rice. What I had left of an onion. Bell pepper. Another pepper. Third pepper. Garlic. A green squash. A yellow squash. Broccoli. Kale. Cilantro. Baby bell mushrooms. Avocado. Shoyu. All right, let's cook. So you want to start with your rice. It's going to be 2 cups of dry rice, which is like 4 cups of water. Or if you're at altitude, it's like 5, like I am. And I get it in the slow cooker, but if you have just, the old pot works just the same. So get that going. We'll start by throwing some coconut oil in our wok, getting the heat up, then get the chopping. Start with our onions, thin slicing those. Toss them in the wok, give them a stir, throw a lid on to keep the moisture in, and back to chopping. You want to cut the top off the bell pepper and the bottom, leaving this middle section. You want to slice out the core, then thinly slice that middle section. Catch the top and throw them in the wok. Give them a stir, put the lid back on, and back to chopping. Repeat the process with the other 2 peppers. Then we got to process our garlic. Smash them, peel them, and chop them. And throw them in the wok. Give them a stir, put the lid back on, then we're on to the squash. Cut off the top and bottom, chop them long ways, and then down the line. Toss them in the wok, give them a stir, put the lid back on, and do the same damn thing with the yellow guy. Dun 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 dun. Next, you want to chop up your broccoli and toss it in. Don't forget your lid. And we're on to the machine. You want to give them a little slice, then set them on the flat side. Slice the rest. Toss them in, throw some shoyu on it, and toss your lid on. Now it's everyone's favorite part, chopping the kale. Let's throw the kale in and splash it with some balsamic vinegar. Toss that lid on, and we're on to the cilantro. I don't bother picking off the leaves. The stem's got fiber, and they ain't gonna hurt you. Now it's time to season. I'm gonna throw some pepper on there, some garlic powder, and some curry powder. Don't forget your cayenne to kick it up. Now your rice should be about ready. So toss her in. More shoyu, more pepper, more garlic powder, and more curry powder. And don't forget your cayenne. Add your cilantro and give it one last stir. Now the cooking is done. We'll add our avocado, maybe some kimchi if you're into that sort of thing. And voila, the best damn stir fry you ever had.